What is going on, everybody? I hope everyone's having a great week. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Black Apino, the Apple Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to format an external hard drive to use on a different system other than Mac. And today I'm going to show you how to pretty much erase an external hard drive, and we're going to use that hard drive on a Windows device. Now you can do this one of two ways. You can do it from a Windows device if you want to, or use it from the Mac disk utilities. I usually find that using it from the Mac disk utilities option is much quicker and it's a little bit more easier to use. And since you're going to be using the external hard drive that's already attached to your Mac, you're going to be erasing it anyway. So the first thing you want to do before you even start anything is to make sure that you have a backup of whatever it is that you are going to erase on that disk. So if you have another external hard drive or a thumb drive or something else, make sure you have all your files copied from that disk that you're going to erase to the other portable media device or external hard drive or whatever, because once the process is started for formatting, it can't be stopped. So it's going to erase everything, and you're going to reformat it for whatever system that you're going to use the external hard drive for. So in this case, we're going to be using this hard drive that was actually formatted for Mac. We're going to format it for Windows. As you can see, it's Windows 10 SSD. So I'm going to show you the process of how to do that. But again, make sure that you have all your files and everything that you need off that external hard drive and place onto another device. That way you don't have to worry about, oh my goodness, I lost this or lost it, I can't recover that, because once it's erased, it's erased. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to Launchpad, and then from here you're going to select Other. So typically this file should be the first thing you see when you hit Launchpad. So you select that, and then from here you will select Disk Utilities. Now it'll bring you up this screen right here. This is where you can do, this is where you'll be pretty much doing any maintenance to your external hard drives or main hard drive. If anything happens to it, first aid, erase, partition it. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to look for the external hard drive Windows 10 SSD, which is labeled right here. And then from here, you're going to click on the erase. Now again, you want to make sure that you have everything off of that external hard drive that doesn't need to be on there. Make sure you have it copied and put onto another external hard drive or a flash drive. Then you're going to rename the external hard drive whatever you want. In my case, I renamed it Windows 10 SSD. And then from the format, now this is where you're going to format it for Windows. There's a couple of different files that you can use on Windows, but the preferred method, the preferred system that they want you to use is this one here, which is called the NTFS. That's going to be standard for pretty much all Windows devices. So once you select that, it brings you to here. Now you have security options. I would suggest not doing the fastest because it doesn't really write over the data. It does a one pass and then that's it. So say later on down the road you want to sell that external hard drive and you're going through this again, make sure you either do the second to the highest, which does it writes over the data twice, or you can do the most secure depending on how you feel about all the information that you've got. This way it makes it very difficult for anybody to kind of run a recovery program on the external hard drive and retrieve any files that may or may not have been completely erased off of the external hard drive. So typically I usually, when I do mine, I'll leave mine right about here or in the middle. It just really depends on what I have on my external hard drive. But typically most of the stuff that I have on my hard drive is just, pictures and videos of stuff that I've already done. So I usually just keep it in the second to the top, basically middle, and then I just leave it at that. So whichever one you select, you hit OK, and then once you've selected the format system that you want, you hit the erase, and then what happens is that it will bring a screen under this, and it just kind of goes through a few settings telling you that it's unmounting and it's erasing it, and pretty much once it's done, as you can see here, it will remount the hard drive and basically erase it, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, it popped up Windows 10 SSD, which is what I renamed mine when I erased it, and that is all you have to do. It's pretty simple, easy, shouldn't take you more than maybe an hour, depending on, again, what you have on that external hard drive. So before you even go through this process, make sure that you have all your files and copies of whatever it is that you have moved over to another removable device, because once you start this erase process, it's pretty much done. So again, this is Black Apino, the Apple Guy. I want to thank everybody for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up if this video was helpful. Hit the bell notification. That way you will never miss content when I drop it. And just a quick side note, I have reached 243. I need 2 more subscribers, and then I will be doing a GoPro giveaway for that lucky subscriber once I reach 245. And with the holiday weekend coming up next week, obviously Labor Day is on a Monday. I might not have any videos out. It being a holiday, I usually like to spend holiday with my family, so I usually do, like, the holiday family stuff. So I may not come up with any video content this Thursday, but I will be coming out with some the following Thursday. So just keep that in mind. If you're expecting a video this coming Thursday and you don't see one, it's because, again, it being the Labor Day weekend, I'm going to be spending time with my family, so I will be having more content after that week. The following week I will be. I got some new content coming out after this, so stay tuned for that as well. And I want to thank everybody and have a great day.